Layla, Erica, Kaylin, Zamir. Oh, I don't care. Can't, can't, can't count Erica and Zamir because they hit and flick the counter.
They hit and flick the counter?
Yeah.
Why?
And food. No, the food was not in it. The pot.
What was Zamir doing today?
He was. He was just climbing up the fridge and getting the pictures down and taking the fridge down and ripping the paint off of the wall and taking the fork off the wall and the spoon off the wall. And Erica grabbed the crackers and spilled them out.
She poured them out?
Yeah, and poured them in the candles.
Pour them in the candles?
Yeah, and pour them in the bears.
What about the shark and the snake?
Oh, yeah.
Now shut.
Are you taking a video of me? I'm taking a video of you.